So yesterday I started my video here, it was all underwater, close to my brakes. So this is obviously a quick improvement. This jackass just had to cut in front of me, but whatever. Couldn't wait. Or turn into a entrance behind me. It's cars, whatever. May come around here, this is where it was still waterlogged. I'm gonna make sure I get a better angle so you can see that it's absolutely clearing up, but it's supposed to start raining again about 4 o'clock this afternoon. Sun's out, much needed, because that'll get all this water on the roads at least evaporated as much as possible. We got about 17 minutes on this video. I'll get there a little quicker today, obviously. Looks like I'm gonna be able to make it. I can see road. So yeah, so doesn't look like there's any water in the overpass, but we'll see when I get there. So come through here. I couldn't make it through here, so you can see right here I was knee deep, so it only goes deeper to here. That have probably been up to my bike seat yesterday. And this road was completely underwater. See if you can see some of the damage on these houses. If you can see that house, you can see along the base there how high the water was on that. Up to the door. Yeah, that's pretty bad. So this road, they never quite completed because the rains last year in May, and now they're still just bad. It's going to be that much longer. Don't know what this car is doing. They're going to let me pass. Yep. They tore it up to fix it, to make it nice like this, and they never completed it to nice like this. I created a Strava segment. It's part of my sprint to the bayou, and yeah, now I've got to slow down for that stupid bump, because those bumps back there are pretty vicious if you try to take them at speed. Yeah, this is kind of cool. It's nice to know that it drains pretty fast. Gives us a chance. Let's see, I'm just going to come up here. I'm coming up to Braeswood, South Braeswood. Make a quick video. Little pirouette there. Let's see. So I can tell you by looking at all the shrubbery here and leftover leaves that it was overflowed, obviously. But it is down pretty quick. But then again, I don't think we've had any rain since late yesterday. So this is where I was trying to get to yesterday, and so you can see right here. Anybody need a broom? The crazy stuff you find. But you see how all that's matted down. That's how high the water was up and how fast it was flowing. Pretty good. Let's hope we don't get deluged again. Underneath there. City handles it pretty well, but only can handle so much. Every city can only handle so much in a short period of time. That pretty much ends my chase down here. Share with y'all. That's just some piping there. Yeah, you can imagine how wide this bayou is and have the water all the way up to the top and over the top. That's pretty amazing. It's one of the bigger bayous in the city.